Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that affects many people at some point in their lives: eye problems. From redness and itching to blurred vision and pain, eye problems can be uncomfortable and sometimes even serious. In this video, we'll cover the most common eye problems, their symptoms, causes, and treatment options. We'll also provide some tips for preventing eye problems and maintaining healthy eyes. Let's get started. Eye problems can range from mild and annoying to serious and vision-threatening. In this video, we'll be discussing 4 common eye problems: conjunctivitis, dry eye, glaucoma, and cataracts. Conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye. Conjunctivitis is an infection of the thin, transparent layer that covers the front of the eye and the inside of the eyelid. It can be caused by a viral or bacterial infection, and is highly contagious. Symptoms of conjunctivitis include redness, itching, discharge, and a gritty feeling in the eye. It can be treated with eye drops or ointments, and sometimes requires prescription medication. Dry eye. Dry eye occurs when the eye doesn't produce enough tears or the tears evaporate too quickly. This can lead to irritation, redness, and a feeling of dryness or grittiness in the eye. It is often caused by aging, certain medications, or environmental factors such as dry air or wind. Treatment options for dry eye include using artificial tears, increasing the humidity in your environment, and taking breaks from screen time. Glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of eye conditions that damage the optic nerve, which can lead to vision loss. It is usually caused by an increase in pressure within the eye, but can also be caused by other factors such as injury or certain medical conditions. Glaucoma often has no symptoms in its early stages, which is why regular eye exams are important for detecting it. Treatment for glaucoma may include eye drops, prescription medication, or surgery to lower the pressure in the eye. Cataracts. Cataracts are cloudy areas that form in the lens of the eye, which can cause vision to become blurry or distorted. They are most commonly caused by aging, but can also be caused by trauma, certain medications, or medical conditions. Treatment for cataracts typically involves surgery to remove the cloudy lens and replace it with an artificial one. These are just a few examples of common eye problems that can affect people of all ages. If you're experiencing any symptoms of an eye problem, it's important to see a doctor or optometrist for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. By taking good care of your eyes and seeing a doctor regularly, you can help maintain healthy vision and reduce your risk of developing eye problems. Here are some common symptoms of eye problems. Redness. This can be a sign of irritation, infection, or inflammation in the eye. Itching. Itchy eyes can be caused by allergies, dry eye, or other conditions. Discharge. Excess discharge from the eye can be a sign of infection or other problem. Pain. Eye pain can be caused by a variety of factors, including infections, injuries, and underlying medical conditions. Blurred vision. This can be a sign of a problem with the eye or with the visual system as a whole. Sensitivity to light. Light sensitivity can be a symptom of many eye problems, including infections and inflammation. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to see a doctor or optometrist for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. There are many different causes of eye problems, including infections. Bacterial and viral infections can cause eye problems such as conjunctivitis and keratitis. Allergies. Allergic reactions can cause symptoms such as redness, itching, and discharge in the eye. Underlying medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as diabetes and autoimmune disorders, can cause eye problems. Trauma. Injuries to the eye, such as cuts or bruises, can cause eye problems. Aging. As we get older, the risk of developing certain eye problems increases, such as cataracts and glaucoma. Environmental factors. Exposure to pollutants, UV radiation, and other environmental factors can cause eye problems. Certain medications. Some medications can cause side effects that affect the eyes, such as dry eye or vision changes. If you are experiencing eye problems, it is important to see a doctor or optometrist to determine the cause and get proper treatment. Treatment for eye problems will depend on the specific condition and its severity. Some options may include eye drops or ointments. These can be used to reduce redness, itching, and other symptoms. Warm or cold compresses. These can help with discomfort and swelling. Prescription medication. Depending on the cause of the eye problem, a doctor may prescribe medication to treat the underlying condition. Surgery. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to remove cataracts or repair other damage to the eye. It is important to see a doctor or optometrist for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan for eye problems. They will be able to recommend the best course of action based on the specific condition and your individual needs. Here are some tips for preventing eye problems. Wash your hands frequently. This can help reduce the risk of infections and other eye problems that can be transmitted by touch. Wear sunglasses. Protect your eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses when you're outside. See a doctor regularly. Regular eye exams can help catch eye problems early on, when they are most treatable. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help maintain healthy vision. Take breaks from screens. Spending long periods of time looking at screens can cause eye strain and dry eye. Take breaks and follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. Quit smoking. Smoking can increase the risk of certain eye problems, such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Protect your eyes at work. If you work in a field where you are exposed to hazards such as chemicals or flying debris, be sure to wear appropriate protective eyewear. In conclusion, eye problems can range from mild and annoying to serious and vision-threatening. By following the tips listed above and seeing a doctor regularly, you can help prevent eye problems and maintain healthy vision. If you are experiencing any symptoms of an eye problem, it is important to see a doctor or optometrist for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. By taking good care of your eyes, you can protect your vision and enjoy all the beauty that the world has to offer.